What's up guys? So this video is about divisibility test. So you want to know whether a number is divisible by maybe 2 or 7 or 12. Yeah, today we are going to cover from 0 to 12. There may be more, but this is what I've learned and I find it fascinating. I call this as a life hack. Yeah. So let's jump right to it. Okay, first thing first, we are talking about integers. So there may be positive integers like 1, 2, 3, and there may be negative integers like -1, -4, and -7, right? So what number is divisible by 0? Essentially, no number is divisible by 0. So I put this none because if you divide by 0, you get undefined, meaning the number may be very large or very small. We are not certain, but it's not defined. And in calculator, if you divide by 0, you get math error. So it's not possible to divide by 0. Okay, what number is divisible by 1? So all numbers are divisible by 1, right? All numbers. So you get 1 million divided by 1, you get 1 million back. 2000 divided by 1, you get 2000 back. 999 divided by 1, you get 999. Right, what number is divisible by 2? All even numbers. Right, so maybe -4050, right? Or 348. Right. Okay, even numbers are numbers that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so if you have a number ending with these digits, one of these digits, then the number is divisible by 2. Okay, what number is divisible by 3? So to know that, first we add up all the numbers. We add up all the digits in that number. And if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Let me give you an example here. So here I have a receipt, lunch with my friends yesterday. Yeah. So we are going to use these numbers. Let's omit the decimal point and we're gonna use 8145. So let's do this. Okay, let's add up all the numbers, all the digits. Sorry. So let's add up all the digits and we get 18. So 18 is divisible by 3, hence 8145 is divisible by 3. So see, you get 2715 without a remainder. Right, so next we're going to 4. How to know whether a number is divisible by 4? So to do that, we look at the last two digits. If those two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So I'm just going to use the serial code here. It's a long digit, so let's plug this in. Let's omit the 0 here. We're gonna use starting from 2. Okay, we are going starting from 2 here. Right, so 2102018000. So 00 is divisible by 4, hence the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, let me show you. 2018 divided by sorry, so you get this number without the remainder, hence this number is divisible by 4. Another example I can give you is 71720. So 20 at the end is divisible by 4, hence the whole number is divisible by 4. So let's check this again. See, no remainder, hence 71,720 is divisible by 4. Okay, how to know whether a number is divisible by 5? To do this, you look at the numbers. The numbers that end with 5 or 0 will be divisible by 5. So maybe 7, 32105 or 50, right? So digits and numbers end with digit 5 and 0 will divisible by 5. How to know whether number is divisible by 6? To do this, you check the number, you do the test for 2 and 3 on to that number. If both criteria met, then meaning the number is divisible by 2 and is divisible by 3 as well, then the number will be divisible by 6 because 6 is 3 times 2. Okay, so I'll jot this down maybe. So for numbers to be divisible by 6, you check if the numbers is even and divisible by 3. Okay, I'm gonna skip 7 for now because it's the most complicated out of 1 to 12. Let's go to 8. To know whether a number is divisible by 8, you look at the last 3 digits. If the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. So let me find a number. 494 0408. So 408 is divisible by 8. So 408 by 8. So yeah. Hence the whole number will be divisible by 8 as well. So 74940408 8. You get this chunk of numbers without remainder. So this number is clearly divisible by 8. Let's go to 9. How to know whether the number is divisible by 9? So to do this, you do the same test with 3, but if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. So let's take back this number, right? And let's add a 2 and a 7 at the back. So you add them all up, add the digits all up. Essentially, you get 27. And 27 is divisible by 9, hence the whole number here is divisible by 9. Let's check it. Bam, you get 90,503, which is clearly divisible without remainder. So this number is divisible by 9. How to know whether a number is divisible by 10? So those numbers that have its digits end with 0 will be divisible by 10. So maybe 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Or simply 20 is divisible by 10. So let's skip 11 for now because it's the second most complicated. And let's go to 12. So to know whether a number is divisible by 12, well, 12 is 4 times 3. Hence, you test for 4 and test for 3. If the number is divisible by 4 and 3, then that number is divisible by 12 as well. Okay. So let me give you an example. So let's take 659376. Okay, 76 is divisible by 4. See here, it's divisible by 4. Then we add all up, add the digits all up. Okay. And we get 36. 36 is divisible by 3. Hence, this number is divisible by 3 and 4. Hence, it is divisible by 12. So let me show you here. Bam, 54,948 without a remainder. Okay, let's go to 11. To do this, you first write out that number. So let's do 104,464,8. And you position them. So this is the first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth digits, sixth digits, and the seventh digit. Then you add the first, third, fifth, and seventh digit together. So 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. and you get 19. Then you add the second, fourth, and sixth digit together. So 0 plus 4 plus 4, you get 8. And you minus them. 19 minus 8 is 11, right? So 11 is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Okay, so you first add up the first, third, fifth, and seventh together. Then you add the second, fourth, and sixth together. Then you minus both of the sum. If that difference is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Let's move back to 7. Okay, 7, there are various methods to test for a number that is divisible by 7, but this is my go-to. Okay, let's use this number, 12,936. So my go-to is to test this number is divisible by 7 is first you take the 6, you double it, you write down here, and you minus them. You get 1,281. Then you repeat the process, take the last digit, double it, and minus off. You get 126. Then do the same again, take the last and double it, minus it off, you get 0. So 0 is divisible by 7, hence the whole number here is divisible by 7. Okay, so let me show you there without a remainder. And that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Do share it out if you love sharing random things, and subscribe if you love watching random things. I see you guys around. Till then, goodbye. Peace out.